morning, guys. It's 7 a.m. We're here at the Browns Creek Trailhead in San Isabel National Forest. It's near Nathrop, Colorado. We're gonna go for a small waterfall today. It's about a 6.2 mile round trip hike. Elevation gain supposed to be just under 1,000 feet. Nothing too crazy. So let's get to it. We've been on this trail for about 1.5 miles. So far we've only seen one person, despite the 80% full parking lot. I'm guessing that's mainly due to the access to the Colorado Trail and many other trail access points from this trailhead. Here we are at our first trail junction. We have 1.5 miles to go to our destination, and looks like if you hang a right or go straight, that will put you on the Colorado Trail. This says Little Browns Trail down, but then the arrow says right. I don't know which one is right, but I don't really care. Onward. Despite the heavy winds forecast for today, so far on this beautiful spring day on Brown Creek Trail, winds have been very light. Maybe those were only forecasted for like the 13ers and 14ers, higher elevations. So far it's been a beautiful hike. Weather's been perfect. No clouds in the sky, which is fine. Today I'm mainly going for streams and waterfalls. I've got my handy Nikon D780 as always, accompanied by the 24mm 1.8 lens, and I've got the breakthrough photography 6-stop neutral density filter, and just gonna try and get some great waterfall pictures today on this beautiful hike. Trail is in excellent condition. This would be a great trail running trail, very easy to follow. I think it would be great for families. I'm sure you can bring your dog out here. I hear lots of birds, haven't really seen any up close yet. No wildlife encounters yet. Normally bring 2 GoPros with me, one which Emily uses and the other one I use and kind of narrate. But I did bring the GoPro on our camping trip to Buena Vista, but unfortunately, like an idiot, I left the memory card at home in the memory reader as I was formatting it and transferring all the old files from one of my past hikes, and had all the batteries charged, but just forgot to bring the memory card like a dolt. But still got the one GoPro, so hopefully I can get some good footage for you on this hike. Here we are at the second trail junction, and this is a cool looking trail junction. I mean, the forest is in full effect here. This is very magical, mystical like, fairy like, I don't know. It's just pretty cool. So we got 1.3 miles to go. We're gonna head to the waterfall. past a couple of campsites. So if you're looking for a dispersed place to go camping that's not too hard to get to, this would be a good option. Looks like the trail goes on here, but there's a giant creek in the way. But we can definitely go around. But this is what we came here for, so I'm glad that we are finally looking at water. So the trail continues west right here, but someone was nice enough to make a nice cairn and carve the word falls into it. So we're gonna head that way. I can hear the water roaring. We're getting close. Love the sound of flowing water. Here we are, guys. Browns Creek Waterfall. All right, so we are done here at Brown Creek Falls. It's a pretty awesome waterfall. Took a bunch of pictures and some video. Hopefully it turned out good. This is a relatively moderate hike. Only took us an hour and 15 minutes to get here. Elevation gain is right under 1,000 feet. Trail's incredibly easy to follow. And we only saw like 2 people at the waterfall the entire 1 hour we were hanging out there. So if you're looking for a cool waterfall hike near the Buena Vista area, then I highly recommend this one. I don't know of many other waterfalls in this area, but whoops, we got to go this way on the trail. But once again, if you like the videos I make, go ahead and subscribe. Always doing the hiking photography thing here in Colorado. This one was Brown Creek Falls, 6.2 miles round trip, 900 and change elevation gain. Comment if you've been here before. Let us know the current trail conditions or how you liked the hike or didn't like the hike. If you have any questions, leave a comment. But until the next hike, catch y'all around.